Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the projector and matching its input to your device. First, plug in HDMI or attach your wireless dongle, then switch the projector to that input so you see a blank source. Make sure your phone, tablet, or laptop is awake and on the same Wi-Fi network if using AirPlay or Miracast. Wired adapters need no network. Once done, enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on your device, so Discovery tools can find the projector or dongle immediately. You now initiate the actual mirror. Open your device's casting or screen mirroring control. In Android, use Cast. In iOS, use Screen Mirroring. On Windows, use Project right arrow connect to a wireless display. Select the projector or dongle name. If using HDMI, plug a certified adapter, USB-C or Lightning to HDMI, and the image should appear instantly. Adjust resolution or aspect ratio to match the projector, 16:9 or 4. Complete the setup by fine-tuning picture and sound. You should adjust keystone and focus so the image is sharp, then choose audio output, projector speaker, Bluetooth speaker, or device so sound syncs. If you notice lag or stutter, reduce the device resolution, close background apps, or move the device and dongle closer to the router. Finally, if things still fail, restart the projector and device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or plug in HDMI. These steps fix most connection or firmware handshake problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.